In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to react on Microsoft Outlook email in just 5 minutes. Whether you're dealing with a busy inbox or just trying to infuse some personality into your replies, adding emojis or reactions can be a great way to quickly convey your feelings or thoughts without typing out long responses. So let's dive in and make your email replies more expressive and efficient. First, as with anything related to Outlook, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Outlook login page. If you're on your computer, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL to reach the Outlook website. Once there, you'll notice the familiar interface prompting you to sign in. Now this step, although straightforward, is absolutely essential as all your emails and functionalities reside within your personal account. So take a moment, enter your email address and password, ensuring that you've typed them correctly to avoid any hassle. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your main Outlook dashboard, also known as your email client. This is where you'll see all your recent emails, drafts, and more. Now, if emails seem overwhelming at times, this dashboard will be your best friend in terms of organization and efficiency. You'll want to click on the mail option, which is prominently displayed. This will take you to your inbox where you can see all your incoming and outgoing communications neatly lined up. When you locate the email you wish to react to, you can start by hitting the reply button. It's often symbolized by a curved arrow icon and is generally located at the top of the email or somewhere on your view pane, depending on the interface you're on. Clicking on reply opens up a new area in your email client where you can begin typing your response. Now that you're set to start your reply, let's bring in some creativity and emotion by clicking on the insert option. This command allows you to add various elements to your emails like attachments, tables, graphics, and more. When you're focusing on how to add reactions or emojis though, this is the step that's integral to infusing personality into your responses. After selecting insert, look specifically for the emoji option. Emojis have become a universal language of their own, allowing users to express sentiments, laughter, urgency, and so much more without saying a word. When you click on emoji, you'll be greeted with a panel filled with various icons, each having its own unique meaning or usage. From here you can browse through and find an emoji that perfectly conveys your message or the emotion you wish to express. It's common to have favorite emojis that you use regularly, but feel free to explore and create a tone that's right for the email you're responding to. Once you've selected your emoji, all you need to do is click on it. This action will automatically insert the emoji into your email at the location of your cursor. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to communicate non-verbally over email using Outlook. This little bit of personalization not only adds a human touch to your professional or personal conversations, but also conveys empathy, humor, or urgency, depending on what you want to express with your email. Remember that while emojis can reflect your style and mood, always use them appropriately based on the context of your communication. In professional settings, it's good to gauge the recipient and understand the nature of your exchange before sending off emails filled with emojis. It's all about striking the right balance, ensuring your messages remain clear, respectful, and reflective of your intent. And that's it, you have successfully learned how to react to an email in Outlook by using emojis. This process not only adds efficiency to your communication, but also helps you stand out with personalized responses, all accomplished within a few steps and less than 5 minutes. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to explore your email client further, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need more tutorials. Happy emailing!